In the bustling city of Lagos, Nigeria, there lived a flamboyant figure known far and wide as Bobrisky, the cross-dressing sensation. But as the saying goes, all that glitters is not gold, and Bobrisky found himself in a bit of a pickle. It all started when the eagle-eyed folks at the EFCC, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, caught wind of some rather peculiar behavior involving our controversial Bobrisky and the Nigerian Naira. Yes, you heard that right, folks. It seems our controversial influencer was caught red-handed, or should I say rainbow-handed, allegedly mutilating the Naira notes. Now you might be wondering, what in the world does mutilating the Naira even mean? Well, it turns out that spraying money at parties like confetti isn't just a flashy display of wealth. It's actually a no-no, according to the law. Who knew, right? But fear not, for Bobrisky claimed innocence, professing ignorance to the crime and pleading for mercy. As the drama unfolded in the hallowed halls of the Federal High Court, Justice Abimbola Agboro presided over the spectacle, and Bobrisky found himself in quite the predicament. Pleading guilty to the charges of Naira abuse, our protagonist faced the possibility of a hefty fine or even a stint behind bars. But hold on to your wigs, because the plot thickens. Despite Bobrisky's remorseful pleas and promises to mend his ways, the EFCC seemed determined to make an example out of him. Some cried foul, suggesting that perhaps Bobrisky had ruffled a few feathers along the way, attracting the ire of the authorities. Indeed, one can't help but wonder if Bobrisky's high-profile persona painted a target on his back, leading to this sensational showdown with the law. After all, videos of money being tossed around like confetti are a dime a dozen on the internet, yet Bobrisky found himself singled out for scrutiny. But amidst the chaos and controversy, there are lessons to be learned. Whether you're a social media sensation or just an average Joe, ignorance of the law is no excuse. As Bobrisky's saga demonstrates, fame and fortune offer no immunity from the long arm of the law. So, as we bid adieu to this chapter in the saga of Bobrisky, let us reflect on the perils of fame, the consequences of our actions, and the importance of knowing when to keep the party poppers in check. After all, in the game of life, it's not just about the glitz and glamour, it's about playing by the rules, even when the spotlight dims. Legal ramifications of Naira abuse. Bobrisky's case highlights the legal consequences of mishandling the Nigerian Naira, a serious offense under Nigerian law. Despite Bobrisky's claims of ignorance, the law applies equally to everyone, regardless of fame or social status. Lesson learned. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. It's essential to understand and abide by the legal regulations, especially concerning currency handling. High-profile targeting. Some speculate that Bobrisky may have been targeted due to his high-profile status, raising questions about selective enforcement. While videos of similar behavior are widespread on social media, Bobrisky found himself singled out for prosecution. Conspiracy theory. Could Bobrisky's legal troubles be a result of personal vendettas or political motivations rather than purely legal concerns? Role of law enforcement and judiciary. The actions of law enforcement and the judiciary in Bobrisky's case raise questions about fairness and impartiality. While upholding the law is crucial, ensuring equal treatment under the law is equally essential. It's essential to examine whether Bobrisky's case received the same scrutiny and due process as others accused of similar offenses. Lessons on accountability and responsibility. Bobrisky's case underscores the importance of accountability and taking responsibility for one's actions. Despite his remorse and pledges to change, Bobrisky must face the consequences of his behavior. Individuals, especially those in the public eye, must recognize their influence and act responsibly to avoid legal entanglements. But the question on many people's lips now is, will Bobrisky be detained in female or male cell, since he now claims to be a woman? Your guess is as good as mine. Media influence and public perception. The media plays a significant role in shaping public opinion and perceptions of individuals like Bobrisky. Coverage of his legal woes sparks debates about morality, legality, and societal norms.
It's crucial for the media to present balanced and factual reporting to avoid sensationalizing the case and influencing public sentiment unfairly.
In conclusion, Bobrisky's case serves as a cautionary tale about the intersection of fame, legality, and accountability. While the specifics of his legal troubles may raise eyebrows, the broader lessons about respecting the law and understanding one's responsibilities are invaluable for everyone, regardless of their status in society.
Indeed, the emergence of new party and event videos, showcasing extravagant displays of money, spraying, even at weddings and burial ceremonies, underscores the prevalence of this practice in Nigerian social culture. However, Bobrisky's legal predicament serves as a wake-up call for individuals to exercise caution and reconsider participating in such activities. The saying, "once bitten, twice shy," perfectly encapsulates the sentiment echoing through Nigerian communities. In the aftermath of Bobrisky's case, people are now more mindful of the potential legal consequences of indulging in the seemingly harmless tradition of money spraying. Bobrisky's experience highlights the importance of understanding the legal implications of our actions, even in the context of cultural norms. While money spraying may be deeply ingrained in Nigerian social gatherings, individuals must recognize the boundaries set by the law and act accordingly. Moreover, Bobrisky's case sparks conversations about the need for cultural evolution and adaptation. While traditions hold significance, they should not override legal regulations or compromise individual accountability. It's a reminder that societal practices must align with legal standards to ensure harmony and compliance within the legal framework. Ultimately, Bobrisky's ordeal prompts reflection and re-evaluation of societal norms, urging individuals to tread carefully and responsibly, both in their personal conduct and their participation in cultural practices. By learning from Bobrisky's experience, Nigerians can strive for a balance between tradition and legality, fostering a culture of compliance and respect for the law.